Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing controlled heat. Plug in the iron or heat press and set to 300-320 degrees or the HTV spec. This restores tack without burning. Place the garment on a flat, heat-proof board, then cover the mistake with parchment or a Teflon sheet to protect fabric. Once done, secure loose edges with heat-resistant tape so they don't shift. You're not ironing harder, you're applying consistent, even heat to reactivate the adhesive and prepare for correction. Now you'll coax the vinyl back into position. Press firmly for about 15-20 seconds through the protective sheet to warm the adhesive evenly, then let it cool for 10-15 seconds to firm up slightly. Peel slowly at a low angle. If edges are still stuck, reheat small spots and use tweezers to lift without tearing. Once lifted, reposition the vinyl precisely, then repress using firm, even pressure. This sequence reactivates adhesive where needed and reduces ghosting or bubbling. Finish by pressing the corrected area for 20-30 seconds at the manufacturer's temperature, using a Teflon sheet to protect the face, then cool completely before flexing. If sections won't stick, don't overheat. Remove the failed piece and replace it with a new cut or apply a heat-activated adhesive sheet to the back of the vinyl and press again. If the fabric is scorched beyond repair, consider replacing that panel or incorporating a patch design. One tip: test on scrap fabric to avoid repeating the mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.